when the body's going forward and the head all of a sudden, the head stops going forward, you know that it's going to be a penalty. So it's not an automatic first down. I thought the personal foul face mask was automatic first down penalty. It's not. The 15 yards with how backed up Hillsboro was will just get them in the 2nd and 6 at the Brentwood 18-yard line. It's going to be a little shuffle pass, another penalty down. Brentwood blows it up. First one there with Seth Adams. The sophomore outside linebacker makes a great play. It's another illegal procedure penalty on Hillsboro.
Ryan, we should have tracked it at this beginning of the game. We haven't been tracking it officially. It feels like that's 8 or 9 pre-snap, snap infractions, just easy penalties, or unforced penalties, I should say, on Hillsboro.
You're right, and they really can't get out of their own way here in this first half.
I believe it's 3rd down. 3rd and 11. It looks like that's what they're saying on the field.
I'm confused by that one. It was last play was 2nd down, was it not? Maybe Brentwood declined the penalty potentially.
I think Brentwood, it was a loss of 5, so Brentwood declined the penalty.
They're going to run really the same play, and it looks like it was number 14, the first one there. Carter Patton blows up the pitch play. Same play they went to on the 2nd down that didn't work. They go back to it again, and Brentwood blows it up again. So I believe here Hillsboro's gone backwards on the first drive. They got the first down, and they went backwards from there. I'm not sure if they went the full 15 yards back that they gained, but it was right about the same spot. And then all their drives since, the Burros have gone backwards. So Burrow's going to put a pair of punt returners back. Manning's going to be back with Brock. It's a shanked punt, and takes a big Hillsboro roll. And it'll be right at the Burrows 45, where it'll be down by Trey Johnson.
Punt worked out. Wasn't exactly a thing of beauty, but for the 2nd time tonight, they got the bounce, got a big roll. And this is actually some of the worst starting field position Brentwood's had, starting at Hillsboro's 45. We'll see if they can punch in a touchdown this time after getting 3 on the last drive when they started deep in Hillsboro territory.
Big opportunity here. Brentwood gets the ball to start the 2nd half. Touchdown here would put a lot of pressure on this last Hillsboro drive of the first half. White's going to throw it quick out to Manning. Manning's got room to run. He's going to get, we'll call it 8, maybe 9. Quick screen pass up to the top of your screen.
Ryan, it kind of feels like that's been there all night. Pretty easy, 7, 8, 9 yards on those quick throws. Nice job by the receiver, by Manning, to get upfield real fast. Put Brentwood in 2nd and 1. Great position here. Let's see, maybe throw deep, throw to the end zone. We'll see what Brentwood calls up.
Good block by Walton, the tight end, too, out on the edge there. Walton will go in motion to the left side. It's going to be a screen pass. He was supposed to come in. Miscommunication. Brentwood's going to throw it out of bounds. Manning looked like he was in the area, so it's not going to be intentional grounding. I think White thought Collins, who went out in motion to the left, was going to come back in for a middle screen. A little bit of miscommunication.
Yeah, you saw White just immediately when he recognized what was happening, started sprinting backwards trying to get away, and makes a nice play, throw it away.
Yeah, it is. You're right. Those negative plays you turn into equals. Good sign of a good quarterback. So Brown's going to run forward with Walton on 3rd down. He's got the first down. And a couple more. Move the chains down to the Burros 33-yard line. Brentwood likes this kind of 2 halfback set with Walton, the tight end, in on these short yard situations. They've run it a handful tonight. Walton's going to run right end. He's going to cut it up, makes the man miss, and falls forward for a gain of about 8.
Nice job to get upfield there by Walton. He kind of strung it out. Hillsboro had some defenders out there, but he quickly turns upfield, turns into a gain of 7 or 8, puts Brentwood in another good position here on 2nd down.
You're right. Hillsboro had good contain on the play. Walton wasn't going to be able to get the corner, but Collins, but he makes a good read and cuts it up and gets, we'll call it 8 yards. Now Walton going in motion. They're going to throw it out quick to the big fella. Blocked really well outside by the 2 Brentwood receivers, and he's going to get the first down and more. We'll call it a gain of 7.
You know, Davis White's very good on these quick passes. Balls have been hitting receivers in stride. That's another impressive sign from a quarterback. Not throwing it behind him, not throwing in front either. Letting the receivers run with the ball.
Manning and Green do good jobs blocking outside on that play. Brentwood audibling here. Walton's going to go split out to the right side. 12 personnel for the Bruins. So read option play, he's going to give it. Collins looking to get the corner. He's going to get it and then thrown out of bounds. It's Michael Gordon on the tackle. See the read option play. White decides to give it.
Ryan, saying a defensive back named Gordon for Hillsboro brings back memories of one Eric Gordon from who went to Hillsboro High School, went to Tennessee.
Yep.
At one point made a big interception to seal a win over Vanderbilt about 10 years ago.
That would have been, what, 2010, 2011 season, one of those two. They're looking short. They were looking to get it out in the flat to Walton. Walton's looking around. He thought he was held.
Nice play by the defensive end to jump out there. I think he just made a good play on the ball.
Yeah, it really was. Very good read by him.
Might have been a penalty on Sundays, but
yeah,
I think it was a good play there to disrupt the quick pass. We got a big play, 3rd and 5. Let's see if Hillsboro's defense can get off the field once again.